Ebane, this is Shani. I'm going to be doing a video today, a quick tutorial on how to apply your Ebane clip-ins if you want to keep them in for a few days at a time. You can also feel free to leave your hair out and still keep it in for a few days, but this way just is a really good protective style, and it also allows you to keep your Ebane clip-ins in longer than usual. I've done some cornrows, and you guys can feel free to do some flat twist, or you can do some two-strand twist also, and that just is a really good protective style while you have your Ebane clip-ins in. So what I've done, I'm just going to show you guys really quickly what I've done with the cornrows is I've left my leave out, which is going to be enough to part both ways, but I've done my cornrows going back, and I tried to get it as flat as possible. However, when you're doing your cornrows to put in your Ebane clip-ins, you want to make sure that your cornrows are loose and they're not tight, because then it's going to be really hard for your clip-ins to get under there. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how I'm going to get started. So I'm going to use two of my smaller clip-ins, and for you guys that are wondering, I'm wearing my Afro Kinky in my sweet cut, which is 18 inches. And today we're going to be applying to my model our Ebane clip-ins in the Pressed Princess in the sweet cut also, which is 18 inches. So I'm going to start from the bottom by applying two of my smallest ones. And so there's the two clips, so I'm going to be applying the two clips to the bottom, and you're just going to snap those clips open where the comb is going to be pushed forward, and snap both of them. And the side that the comb is pushed forward, you're going to apply that straight to the head, and then you're going to go ahead and apply the comb to the hair and press down firmly. So you're going to apply it to the head and press down firmly. So now we're going to go in with some pieces that are a little bit longer. I'm going to use my three clip. I'm going to use my three clip-ins and apply those. And bring it to the front so that we have enough coverage. These are a little bit longer, so it can go all the way around. And our Pressed Princess collection works really well. If you see really closely, you'll see it, but it's like our natural hair that's pressed out. It's the closest texture to our pressed natural hair, which is a really good look for our sisters in Ebane that like to wear their hair pressed out. So go ahead and continue to apply our clip-ins. Now I'm going to start with a few of our shorter ones. Go in with our two clip-ins, so we can start applying some of them to the front. And again, we're going to take the comb and we're just going to snap it down. I'm going to do the comb again, push it down into the hair, and then snap close. And it's okay to go close to the edges on the bottom, only because the hair that's on top is going to fall and cover it. But once we start to get closer to the top, we definitely want to make sure that we are leaving at least 1 finger or 2 finger space from the hairline to where we're putting our clip-ins. Going in with another 2 clip. Okay, I'm going to turn to the other side. The 2 clips are our best option for the front of the hair, and that's only because it's the smaller pieces, and it will allow us to cover those front pieces without going all the way around. And there's no exact metric to how to do this. If you're doing this for the first time, you're going to have to play around with it a few times to make sure that you get the look that you're looking for. And it's going to be really important that you don't do the cornrows or the flat twist too tight so that the clip-ins can go underneath them without too much of a struggle. So I'm just going to open my clip-ins. Bring this one up here. Snap close. Comb in, snap close. And because my braids are loose, I don't have to snap in where the hair is. I can snap in on my braids, for instance, when I need to. Okay, so because we're getting up to the top, we want to make sure we leave at least a 1 finger space and as much as a 2 finger space from our hairline to where our clip-ins stop. And the luster for our pressed princess hair is low to medium, and that's only because our natural hair doesn't have a lot of shine. So it's not going to be the type of hair that you find at the beauty supply store. It's actually going to be a really good blend with our natural hair when pressed out. And like I said, you can readjust when you need to. For some reason, I think this braid might be a little bit too tight. Put in our last clip in to the top. And you're going to end up with a U-type shape because you're going to bring that last 2 clip in to clip it from one side and then wrap it around your leave out. Wrap it around your leave out and then clip again on this side. And what I'm going to go ahead and do is with her leave out is I'm going to press it, and then I'll show you guys how we blend it all and make it look like it's hers. Alright, so we are back. I went ahead and pressed out her leave out. And I just wanted to come back and show you guys how well our Pressed Princess collection blends with pressed out hair. And so it's blending really, really well. And if you're newly transitioning and you only have a little bit of natural hair and the rest of your hair is still relaxed, this is a perfect collection for you also, because it will blend really well with your ends, and then you can press out your roots so that it matches with the texture of the entire hair. So this is our Pressed Princess, and I hope you guys got the gist of how to apply your Ebane clip-ins. And thank you guys for watching. As always, please share, subscribe, and like our videos. And check out our website, www.ebane.com. Thank you guys for watching, and remember, get fierce!